Back with another video. It's been probably about a week or so since I made my last video discussing Mapbot AI, and I just wanted to go ahead and give you my 2-week results. I started Mapbot AI on May 25th, and it is now June 10th. So it has been exactly 2 weeks, and I have to say that my results have been phenomenal. Mind you, results are not typical. Trading, there's always risk in trading, but I always want to go ahead and just show you my results. As you can see, as of today's date, again, June 10th, I have earned $387.34 with Mapbot AI. Let's go to my trusty calculator and I can show you what that percentage is. So if we take $384, divide that by 2,700, which is what I started with, that is a return of about 14.2% in just 2 weeks. So the bot is projected to it's projected to generate anywhere from 10 to 30% monthly, which is just phenomenal. I'm almost halfway. I'm almost halfway there. So, I still got 2 more weeks into this month, or not into this month, but 2 more weeks when I hit my 1 month, my one month spot, which would be June 25th. So again, making some incredible results with Mapbot AI. Let's see. So if we go back here, you can see that these are the coins that I'm currently trading with: Doge, Ethereum Classic, Ethereum, BTC, Uniswap, ADA, Litecoin, BNB. Those are the ones that I'm trading with. You can choose to trade with whatever coins that you want to that you decide to trade with based on what is available within the bot. The bot has probably about 40 plus coins that you can trade from. All these coins here, you can choose any of these coins to trade from, which is totally up to you. Depending on how much you decide to start with, it could be anywhere from 100 to 500 to the sky's really the limit. I would suggest starting with at least $1,000 for the simple fact that you want to make it worth it. You don't want to just put in a couple $100s and just think that you're going to make tons of money in a month's time. You want to give the bot something to work with. That's why I put in $2,700. That's just what I felt that I could start with, that I could afford to lose. But right now, there's no losing with Mapbot AI. If I go here back to my eLedger, you can see that since I started on May 25th, I've had nothing but winning days. From the 25th till now, I've had nothing but winning days, all double-digit numbers, no red, only green. That's all we see here. I'm getting some incredible results, and there's no doubt in my mind that the results are going to keep on coming in. You can't beat what this bot is able to provide you for just $150 a year. The only thing that Mapbot does ask for is there is a 20% for each trade that they close. So as you can see here, these are all my deductions, which isn't much, 33 cents here, 3 cents here, 9 cents, 2 cents, So like every time it closes a trade, whether it's, $5 or 10 cents, the bot is going to take its 20% from that winning trade. So you want to make sure that you have at least, I would say, about $50 in your USDT assets, so that way it could pull from those funds to allow it to get its 20%. When this amount gets down to about $10, the bot will stop trading for you, and you'll have to replenish your account. So always try to make sure you have a decent amount in here so that it could take its 20%. Now, what I do to replenish my account is I pull from my accumulated balance, because right now I don't have any referrals. I have a couple of people online, but they haven't pushed the button yet, so I'm waiting for them to get started. But I think once they actually upgrade and they get their account started, I'll make, I think it's like $45 when they decide to purchase the bot. And then that goes directly into my USD assets account for the bot to be able to get its 20%. So you can either put in your own funds yourself from your accumulated, or you can refer people and get money put in that way. I don't mind putting money into that account from my accumulated, because again, my earnings have been 14% for the month. So to put $50 into that account so that the bot can take its 20% every time it wins a trade, I have no problem with that. If you guys want to know more, I have many other videos that I've recorded on my results. I have a couple of overview videos. I have some settings videos on how to set up the bot to get started. But if you want to reach out to me directly, you can reach me on Facebook. You can send me an email message, and I'll definitely hit you back as soon as I can to point you in the right direction and even help you get started. I don't see this bot. This bot is just incredible. I don't see it going anywhere, guys. I don't see it going anywhere anytime soon, especially with the results that it's being able to provide. And even in a down market, we're sitting at $36,000, a little over, close to $37,000 Bitcoin. At the beginning of the week, you went down to about 33,000. And here we are back up at 37,000. And if you look at my ledger, if you look at the 9th, you can see that I made a profit of $42.80. That's amazing, right? And we were down, we were in the red, and I was still able to the bot was able to generate for me $42.80. So you cannot beat this bot, guys. The results are just amazing. So again, if you